Hello and welcome to another update video on Link. I'm currently on the short-term chart for Link, Chainlink, and we're currently tracking here still an ongoing correction. Apologies. And I wouldn't be surprised if this, I'm tracking the local downtrend here, which is currently playing out anyway. We got a rejection from resistance. We haven't really moved much since the last video yesterday, but what I want to say is what could be, if we can't break below the swing low from Tuesday, then we might turn this into a triangle here, right? Because I've got the 3-wave move up and the 3-wave move down. And it would obviously be ideal to get this all completed, so all of this mess that formed after the 10th of October and after the 4th of November is fully tidied up, because with another low, the chart can tempt a reversal in an impulsive structure to the upside. For now, we have a 3-wave move up only into resistance and a rejection. But this here, if we now moved higher, then this could only again turn into some kind of an ugly diagonal pattern or a 3-wave move, which would still, hold a very high likelihood of breaking down again. So it hasn't changed. I really need a full 5-wave move up here. Or first of all, ideally another low, and then not that we definitely need it, right? But it's just like there hasn't really been any significant bottoming confirmation. And the very first and early signal that something is shifting to the upside, that momentum is shifting, towards the bull's favor, let's say like that. Well, there would be a break above the yellow trend line. That's really the earliest signal, but it needs to be a decisive break. But because this trend line is roughly at 45 degrees, it would be a decent signal if we can just get a proper breakout with volume. Weekend breakouts are often less reliable, and then we have to see if the market can actually take the price above $16.80, and then also above the green line here at $17.64. These would be the next two key levels to watch, these two swing highs. But at the moment, as you can see here, it looks as if we are still working on this 3rd wave to the downside, to be fair. And then there could be another bounce, maybe in wave 4, a lower high, and a lower low in wave 5. So lower high in wave 4, and a lower low in wave 5. And the next support levels to watch are in the area around $13.30 and $12.14. And they are just the next two fib levels, And normally we say for such a wave 2 pullback, and by the way, the idea is that this wave 2 pullback started in August. Such a wave 2 pullback should ideally hold above 1330, but a wick below the 78.6 retracement wouldn't be a major problem. The 88.7 retracement is really the very last support level that is relevant here at all, but normally we say that already below the 78.6 fib level, things are starting to become quite difficult for the bulls. So pressure remains downward. Another low is likely, hasn't formed yet. I think it would actually look best at this point with another low. That's the update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then also check out our X channel for additional updates, news, and much more. I have a link in the comment section for you guys for our X channel. There are updates that are sometimes covered a little bit sooner than, for example, on YouTube. Sometimes additional updates and much more. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.